front yard flower beds design ideas. Enhancing your outdoor oasis. Creating a welcoming and visually appealing front yard is essential for enhancing your outdoor oasis. One of the key elements in achieving this is designing beautiful flower beds. Well-designed flower beds can transform your front yard into a picturesque space that not only adds curb appeal but also creates a peaceful and inviting atmosphere. In this article, we will explore various design ideas and tips to help you create stunning front yard flower beds that will elevate your outdoor space to new heights. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Incorporating front yard landscaping. When designing your front yard flower beds, it is important to consider the overall landscaping of your property. Blend the flower bed seamlessly with other garden features, such as pathways, trees, shrubs, and hardscapes. This harmonious integration will create a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing front yard. Choosing the right flower bed design. There are numerous design options to choose from when it comes to front yard flower beds. You can opt for a traditional rectangular design, curved flower beds, or even tiered beds for added visual interest. Consider the size and shape of your front yard to determine the most suitable design that complements your outdoor space. Selecting suitable flower bed plants. Carefully select the plants for your front yard flower beds to ensure they thrive in the given environment. Consider factors such as sunlight exposure, soil conditions, and the overall climate of your region. Choose a mix of perennials, annuals, and seasonal flowers to ensure year-round beauty and variety in your flower beds. Creating eye-catching color schemes. One of the key aspects of front yard flower bed design is selecting a cohesive color scheme. Consider the color palette of your house and outdoor decor to create a harmonious blend. You can create contrasting or complementary color schemes using flowers with vibrant hues or opt for a more monochromatic look for a sophisticated appeal. Incorporating garden features. To enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your front yard flower beds, consider incorporating garden features such as decorative stones, statues, or water features. These elements can add visual interest and serve as focal points within your flower beds, elevating the overall design and creating a captivating outdoor retreat. Designing front yard flower beds is an exciting opportunity to enhance your outdoor oasis. By carefully considering the landscaping, choosing the right flower bed design, selecting suitable plants, creating eye-catching color schemes, and incorporating garden features, you can transform your front yard into a stunning space that reflects your personal style and enhances the overall beauty of your home. Remember to maintain and care for your flower beds regularly to ensure they continue to thrive and bring joy to both you and your visitors. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and enjoy the process of designing your front yard flower beds. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Creating a beautiful and inviting front yard is an essential aspect of enhancing your outdoor oasis. Flower beds serve as a focal point, adding color and charm to the overall landscaping design. In this article, we will explore various design ideas for front yard flower beds, providing you with inspiration to transform your outdoor space into a stunning garden masterpiece. Incorporating garden features. Water features. Adding a small fountain or a trickling waterfall can create a serene ambience in your front yard. The sound of flowing water and the sight of aquatic plants can enhance the tranquility of your outdoor space. Pathways. Designing meandering pathways through your flower beds not only adds functionality but also creates a sense of exploration and charm. Use materials like gravel, stepping stones, or even mulch to define the pathways. Garden sculptures. Incorporating sculptures or art installations can add a touch of elegance and personality to your flower beds. Choose sculptures that complement the overall theme of your outdoor oasis. Plant selection and arrangement. Color coordination. Select flowers that bloom in a variety of colors to create a vibrant and visually appealing front yard. Consider color schemes that complement your home's exterior or opt for contrasting colors for a bold statement. Height and texture. Mix plants with varying heights and textures to create visual interest. Taller plants at the back of the flower bed can provide a backdrop for shorter flowers in the front. Incorporate plants with different leaf shapes and textures for added variety. Seasonal blooms. Plan your flower bed design to ensure a constant display of blooms throughout the year. Research different flowering plants that thrive in different seasons to maintain a visually stunning front yard all year round. outdoor decor and accents. Lighting. Install outdoor lighting fixtures to highlight the beauty of your flower beds during the evening hours. Use pathway lights, spotlights, or string lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. Garden structures. Consider adding trellises, arches, or pergolas to provide support for climbing plants and vines. These structures not only add visual interest but also create a sense of privacy and enclosure. Outdoor seating. Create a cozy seating area near your front yard flower beds to encourage relaxation and enjoyment of your outdoor retreat. Place a bench, swing, or some comfortable chairs where you can admire the beauty of your garden. Designing front yard flower beds is a creative and fulfilling endeavor. By incorporating garden features, selecting the right plants, and adding outdoor decor, you can transform your outdoor oasis into a stunning and inviting space. Whether you prefer a vibrant and colorful garden or a serene and tranquil retreat, implementing these design ideas will help you enhance the beauty of your front yard and create a visually appealing landscape that will be the envy of your neighborhood. So, start planning, get your hands dirty, and embark on the journey of creating a front yard flower bed that truly reflects your style and enhances your outdoor oasis. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support.